Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at particle theory to help us understand how we can change the rates of reaction. Some background to this: so when particles collide, we must have a successful collision in order to have a reaction. And there are two things we have to consider when particles collide as to what makes it successful. Number one is they must collide with enough energy, and that means they have energy greater than the activation energy. If they have that, there's a chance they will react in a successful collision. And they also must collide with the correct orientation. So that means the parts of the particles that come together must be the reactive parts. So the reactive parts come together and touch with enough energy, then there's a chance there'll be a successful collision. It's worth just defining activation energy. It's a really important term that we use. Activation energy is the minimum amount of energy required. So when particles come together and react, they will collide, they will lead to a chemical reaction. Okay, so minimum amount of energy required when particles collide in order for them to react. If they have energy below this, they don't react. Energy greater than this, then there's a chance they will react. What we can do is we can cause reactions to go faster or slower. We always focus on trying to go faster. And the way we can do that is either increasing the frequency of collisions or the energy of those collisions, or you can do both. So we increase the energy, increase the frequency, we will have a reaction that is faster. These are ways we can do it. We can increase the temperature. Increased temperature gives the particles more energy, therefore they move around more, therefore there's more chance of successful collisions. Increasing concentration and pressure are the same thing, really. This is for gases. And this means that we increase the number of particles in a certain space, and therefore there's more chance of successful collisions. Increase the surface area, so if we make the surface area larger, there is more room for collisions to happen. And if we add a catalysts work by lowering the activation energy, therefore causing the reaction to go faster. Okay.